So, dear students, the last session I explained liquid solutions. In the liquid solutions, the total pressure of a liquid, binary liquid, is equals to sum of the partial pressures of the component liquids. That is P total equals to PA plus PB, or P total equals to PA into XA plus PB into XB. So that it belongs to Raoult's law for volatile liquids. So what is the Raoult's law of volatile liquids? The vapor pressure of a component liquid in a solution directly proportional to its mole fraction. Here the solutions which obey the Raoult's law, that solutions are called as ideal solutions. What are the ideal solutions? The solutions which obey the Raoult's law, that solutions are called as ideal solutions. In case of ideal solutions, P total equals to PA plus PB, or P total equals to P naught A into XA plus P naught B into XB. So in case of ideal solutions, the P total is equals to sum of the partial pressures of liquid A and liquid B. So what are the ideal solutions? The dilute solutions which obey the Raoult's law, that solutions are called as ideal solutions. The solutions which obey the Raoult's law, that solutions are called as ideal solutions. In case of ideal solutions, the delta V mixing equal to 0, delta H mixing equal to 0, means the resultant value V mixing should be 0 and delta H mixing also 0. So in that case, that solutions are called as ideal solutions. When it is possible? When it is possible? Let us consider two liquids. In two liquids, in first liquid, the AA molecules are present. In second liquid, BB molecules are present. In first liquid, AA, and second liquid, BB molecules are present. If these two liquids are mixed together, is developed between AB molecules, means that is AB forces. Here the intermolecular force of AB molecule should be equals to intermolecular force of AA or BB. In that case, the ideal solutions are possible. When the ideal solutions are possible, the intermolecular force of attraction of AB molecule should be equals to either AA or BB. In that case, the ideal solutions are possible. In the formation of ideal solution, the delta V mixing is 0, delta H mixing also 0. For example, if you mix the 1 liter of an hexane and 1 liter of an heptane, the resultant solution is 2 liters. And not more than 2 liters or less than 2 liters. Therefore, the delta V mixing is 0. If it is more than 2 liters or less than 2 liters, the delta V mixing is not 0. But in case of ideal solutions, the delta V mixing is 0. And here interactive energy, that is interactive force of AB is equals to AA or BB. Therefore, energy neither released nor gained. Therefore, delta H mixing also 0. Delta V mixing is 0 and delta H mixing also 0. Such a type of solutions are called as ideal solutions. The examples of ideal solution is benzene C6H6 and toluene C6H5CH3 and N-hexane and N-heptane. N-hexane and N-heptane. So these are the examples of ideal solutions. Next we go for the non-ideal solutions. The next one, non-ideal solutions. The solutions which does not obey the Raoult's law, that solutions are called as ideal solutions. That now we are going to non-ideal solutions. What are the non-ideal solutions? The solutions which does not obey the Raoult's law, that solutions are called as non-ideal solutions. In case of non-ideal solutions, the AB interaction energy not equals to AA or BB. The AB attractive force not equals to AA or BB. In that case, non-ideal solutions are possible. When the non-ideal solutions are possible, the AB intermolecular force of attraction not equals to AA or BB. In that case, non-ideal solutions are possible. So in case of non-ideal solutions, delta V mixing not equals to 0 and delta H mixing also not equals to 0. In that case, which solutions are possible? Non-ideal solutions are possible. In case of non-ideal solutions, again there are two types. One is positive deviation, and second one is negative deviation from the Raoult's law. What are they? Positive deviation and negative deviation from the Raoult's law. First we take the positive deviation. First we take the positive deviation. And here negative deviation. So when the positive deviation is possible, when the negative deviation is possible, first we have to know that one. In case of positive deviation, AB attractive force is less than AA or BB. In that case, the positive deviation is possible. Means the AB intermolecular force of attraction is less than AA molecule or BB molecule. In that case, the positive deviation is take place. In that case, which deviation take place? Positive deviation take place. In case of positive deviation, delta V mixing is more than 0 or positive, and delta H mixing also more than 0 or positive. Here, in case of positive deviation, what I am saying, AB intermolecular force of attraction is less than the AA as well as BB. Therefore, if you observe the graph for the non-ideal solutions of positive deviation, here the total pressure is more than the ideal solution. Let us assuming this is the total pressure of the positive deviation. Here the calculated value is less than the experimental value. This is experimental value. Here this is the positive deviation, and here also it should indicate the positive deviation, and it indicate the positive deviation. Indicate the positive deviation, and this line indicates the ideal behavior, and this is also indicate the ideal behavior. Here this thick line indicate the ideal behavior, and the dotted line indicate the non-ideal behavior. Here this is the ideal behavior, but in case of positive deviation, what happened? This value is more than the expected value. Here this is also more than the expected value. So in that case, there is a positive deviation. In case of positive deviation, everyone should remember it. Here P total is more than PA plus PB, or P total is more than P naught A XA plus P naught B XB, P naught B XB, or PA greater than P naught A and XA. Similarly, PB greater than P naught B and XB. So this is in case of a positive deviation. So in case of positive deviation, what are the examples? Why the positive deviation take place? Let us consider the example of ethyl alcohol and water. Ethyl and alcohol and water is a better example of a positive deviation. Why the positive deviation take place? So in between the water molecule, the strong hydrogen bond is present, and ethyl alcohol also hydrogen bond is present. When the ethyl alcohol and water is mixed together, the new relation is developed between the water molecule and ethyl alcohol. Therefore, the strength of the hydrogen bond is decreases. Therefore, it show the positive deviation. The examples of positive deviations are one is ethyl alcohol C2H5OH and water, and second one is benzene and acetone C6H6 and acetone CH3COCH3. That is the second example. And carbon disulfide and acetone. Carbon disulfide and acetone. CS2 and acetone. So these are the better examples of which one? Positive deviation. Next we go for the negative deviation. Negative deviation. In case of negative deviation, here the AB interaction energy is more than the AA or BB. In that case, it can show the negative deviation. In case of negative deviation, delta V mixing is less than 0 and delta H mixing also less than 0, means negative. Here it is also negative. And here PA is less than P naught A and XA. Similarly, PB less than P naught B and XB. Therefore, P total is less than PA plus PB. PA plus PB. So why the negative deviation take place? Why? Because the AB interaction energy is more than AA as well as BB. Therefore, such type of deviation is called as negative deviation. Such type of deviation is called as negative deviation. In case of negative deviation, let us see this graph. Here, these lines indicate the ideal behavior. This line indicates the ideal behavior. In case of negative deviation, this experimental value is less than the calculated value. These experimental values are less than the calculated value. This is a graph belongs to negative deviation. This is a P naught A. This is P naught B. Here XB equals to 1. XA equals to 0. Here XA equals to 1. XB equals to 0. And this is the P total equals to PA plus PB. So this is in case of negative deviation. The better example of negative deviation is HNO3 and H2O. HNO3 and H2O is a better example of negative deviation, and acetone and aniline, CH3CO, CH3 and aniline is a better example of negative deviation. Better example of a negative deviation. So in the JEE mains point of view as well as NEET examination point of view, this ideal and non-ideal solutions are very important. How the question will be asked in the examination in case of ideal and non-ideal solution. For example, if you take ideal solution, so which of the following relation is correct for the ideal solution? So here you should remember in ideal solution, AA interaction energy is equals to AA or BB, that is the first thing. Second one is V mixing equal to 0 and delta H mixing also 0. And P total equals to PA plus PB or P total equals to PA into XA and PB into XB. So this is for the ideal solutions. Example, benzene and toluene and hexane and n-heptane. So these are the examples of ideal solutions. Next, non-ideal solutions. In non-ideal solutions, what is the correct relation? So here AB interaction energy not equals to AA or BB, and V mixing not equal to 0, and delta H mixing also not equal to 0. So that the solutions are called as non-ideal solutions. Means the solution which does not obey the Rolle's law, they are called as non-ideal solutions. Again, there are two types, positive deviation and negative deviation. In case of positive deviation, the AB interaction energy is less than AA or BB, and V mixing less than 0, more than 0 or positive. Delta H mixing also more than 0 or positive. In that case, they show the positive deviation. So in case of positive deviation, the experimental value is more than the theoretical value or calculated value. Or P total is greater than the PA plus PB, or P total greater than P naught A, XA plus P naught B and XB, or PA greater than P naught A and XA, PB greater than P naught B and XB. This type of relations was asked in the previous examination. Example, ethyl alcohol and water, carbon disulfide and acetone. These are the examples of a positive deviation. In case of negative deviation, here AB interaction energy is more than AA or BB, and delta V mixing is less than 0. Delta H mixing also less than 0. In that case, they show the negative deviation. In case of negative deviation, that experimental value is less than the calculated value. Here, this graph indicates the negative deviation. Example, HNO3 and H2O and acetone and aniline. These are the examples of negative deviations. So here ideal and non-ideal solutions are very important in the examination point of view, that is JEE mains, advanced and NEET. So everyone should concentrate on ideal and non-ideal solutions. Thank you.